One of the things I like about being a site engineer is that every site is different and has its own challenges or own advantages and disadvantages, its own life of its own. I wanted to actually be an architect first and went to architecture school for a year, and it turned out, without going that deep into the story, it turned out to be something that I didn't want to do. So instead I went to school for something called architectural engineering, and that was a merge of the two, and then wound up doing engineering when I finished college. But I always knew it was something I wanted to do because I thought it had tied into being creative, and I like to build things when a lot of models when I was a kid, Legos and whatnot. It's raining right now, so where does the water go? Well, you might think the water goes to an inlet like this. They only have the base course down right now. They're going to come back here and resurface all of this, and they're going to match the grade of this inlet, which captures the stormwater. When you're in a project that is multi-million dollars, you have a lot of people and a lot of moving parts, so you need to be good with your communicative skills other than the engineering, and sometimes the engineering becomes takes a backseat to good relationships with people and learning to get things done by managing people and learning when it's time to roll up your sleeves and get into the hardcore work of the engineering. Not one person does all these projects, so it's important to know that you're not alone, that you have a lot of backing from my manager and from the contractors and the architects and everyone all working toward the common goal. Sometimes if you're taking down a lot of trees on a site, you have to replace with landscaping or trees, like these deciduous trees here, these landscaping ornamental trees. You have to give back what you take down. And all towns are different with what comes out of the landscaping ordinance in terms of taking stuff back. So my point for this was just to say landscaping is another thing that a site engineer needs to be aware of. Site engineering is very fascinating to me, and it's one of the reasons I like doing it is because just like with most creative endeavors, you are designing something, and the origin of it is the rules and regulations we all abide by regardless. Is coming from your creativity, so it's coming from your inside, and you're making it real, just like the artists do, like the Van Goghs and all of the, Frank Lloyd Wrights, all the great engineers, architects, artists of the world. It's something inside them that they make, they create.